In this video, we're going to be looking at close button. This is by far the most complex component in the entire series, so make sure you're sitting down, listening. I have your full attention. You watch to the end of the video. This is a difficult one, and we're going to be looking at the docs, and then we have a good old example for you right on after that, so let's see what the docs have to say. So we have close button is essentially a button with a close icon. It is used to handle the close functionality and feedback and overlay components like alerts, toasts, drawers, and modals. And I'll tell you what, I've done these before and have used other libraries. And as silly as this thing may be, I like the fact that they have this. This is one of those tiny things about the library, but it's nice they give it to you, I gotta say. And so we import the close button right here. We get an X, we could click on it. That's pretty cool. We have a button size, so we just slap in size for small, medium, and large. And you can see these differing sizes right here. Now they're using a stack for the layout. Maybe you're using a flex, whatever it may be in your alert, dialogue, toast kind of thing. But, you know, if you worry about these kind of, arcing downwards like this, that should be the last of your concern. You'll be able to style and position these however you want to. And then we have all the props right here. Be sure to check over these, even though there's not too many. But yeah, this is a quick one. Let's go look at our coding example so I could show you how to make one of these. In this example, what we're going to do is we're going to create a stack, and then we're going to create all the different sizes of the close buttons. And then I'm going to do an on-click to show you how to use one with a close button. So let's go ahead and get to typing. So as you see here, I have these three close buttons. As you hover over them, it gets that gray background. Now let's change the sizes. We could see that I feel like you get to the large, yeah, there's differences between all of them. They're really not super drastic in difference here. So that's kind of the nice thing about these close buttons is that you don't, I think, want the size variation to be ridiculous because you want your end user to be able to close something, right? And I think that's kind of the nice thing about it. At least visually to me, it feels like there's not a massive difference between the small and the large. So let's go ahead and do something else in here, and that is make all these buttons. So now that these are all buttons, you could click on them and get that button effect. That's what the as button is doing. So now the close button is acting as a button. And on this last one here, let's add an on-click feature to show that it actually does work. So now we have this on-click. We're going to get an alert, and it's going to say closing. And we see that it pops down, and it says closing. And that is how you use the close button. Very simple and straightforward and to the point. If you like what I'm doing, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.